CVS Health offers numerous remote work opportunities across various departments, reflecting a broader shift towards flexible work arrangements. You can find these jobs primarily on the CVS Health Careers website at cvshealth.com/careers. Key remote roles include customer service representatives, IT support specialists, data analysts, and pharmacist support coordinators. To begin your search, navigate to the CVS Careers page. Use keywords like remote or work from home in the search bar. The CVS site has advanced filters for locations set to virtual or specific states, job categories such as healthcare or technology, and experience level. You can also filter by salary range and job type, part-time or full-time. Third-party sites like Indeed or LinkedIn may mirror CVS postings, but always verify directly on the official CVS site to avoid scams. As of December 2025, there are over 2,000 open remote positions listed, particularly in digital health services and telemedicine support, due to CVS's acquisition of Signify Health. To refine your search, leverage CVS's AI-driven job matching tools, which recommend roles based on your profile. Remote roles typically require U.S. residency and a clean background check. Some roles may require specific certifications, such as a pharmacy technician license. Tailor your resume and application to highlight remote-friendly skills like self-motivation and digital literacy. Networking via CVS's LinkedIn page or employee referrals can significantly boost your application's success. Understand CVS's remote work policy, which outlines productivity expectations, virtual meeting tools like Zoom and Microsoft Teams, and data security protocols such as VPN usage. Be aware that CVS mandates remote roles must comply with state-specific laws and requires a reliable internet connection and company-provided laptops for security. CVS also provides virtual onboarding programs to support remote hires. Remote workers in health data roles must adhere to HIPAA regulations.